there is, driven by a solid drive.
Bring them on when it was Guy Smith, Ronaldo Capello, and how could we forget it was one of Mr. Christensen's 9 on wins. Amazing record when on 6 or 7 and won 5 of them, finished second the other, third in the other. So it was just an unbelievable statistic. Still not the biggest gap I was expecting at the front there, Alistair. 4.7 seconds. It's 2 minute 40 is Michael Haig's best lap. 2 minute 40.7. David Freeman 2:42. We know that in practice he was able to do 3 seconds quicker than that. So maybe he's just doing enough rather than showing how quickly the car can go.
Yes, he may well be concerned about the heat because certainly a couple of the cars that came into the pits when I was down there for the previous race, there was an overheating problem. The first car retired, the other ones they managed to get back into the race, but clearly the heat for these older cars is an issue. So it may just be easing back a little bit on the straights just to let the car cool. Dunsky now catching the second on the ball of the car of James, yeah. So black and orange flag being presented to the other Morley, that's Clive Morley of number 5 in 3rd position. That's our final podium position. Clive Morley had such a good start there. So let's have a quick look at what's going on with Clive Morley's car. Just over halfway into this race, we've got just under 10 minutes to go, 9 minutes to go, that's back. So let's do a quick look at this Clive Morley's car, 5, position 3 on the track as our race leader Michael Haig crosses the line.